Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to put on false eyelashes, and if you guys are interested, just keep on watching. Yeah, you guys, so I'm going to show you guys how to put on false eyelashes. I'm going to get right to the point so this video won't be that long. But when I first started putting on eyelashes, I didn't know how to do it. Just do it at your own pace. What you're going to need are some pair of tweezers, your eyelashes, and your glue, which is a glue adhesive or you know, just regular eyelash glue. You can use clear, white, or black. So first thing first, some people like to curl their lashes, but I like to put on mascara. It helps me, it just makes my lashes look more, you know, bolder and blend in with the eyelash. So yeah, I like to put on my mascara. So I'm gonna do that real quick. Okay, so after you put on your mascara, you're gonna want to let it dry. So first things first, I'm gonna take these out of the box. Like I said, these are Ardell Wispy lashes. They are so good and so easy to put on. They are thin, like the line right here. If you guys can see, it's not blurring. So you see the line, it's thin, it's not so thick. Those lashes are harder to put on. Well, it was harder for me to put on at first. I know how to put them on now, but it was so hard to put them on at first. So if I was you, I'd try to find something like this where it's like the line is thin. So first you want to make sure, take it off. I use my fingers, or you can use your tweezers. So the next thing, you can take the tweezers and just take them off like this. Okay, and then like I said, it's better if it's thin, but it's up to you, whatever you like. But this is what I do. So the first thing you want to make sure is that the eyelash fits your eye. So you will just probably take it and see if it fits, which it does for me. But if you need to cut it, just cut it a little bit at the end right here, and then it's just like, you know, put it back on and see if it fits your eye. So that's the next thing you need to do. So if it fits your eye, you're going to take your eyelash glue, and what you're going to do is just apply the glue on the line, on the eyelash. So that's what I'm going to do right here. You can apply a thin layer. If you add too much, it's okay. It's just gonna take longer to get tacky. Don't think like you just messed up. Oh my god, I add too much. No, it's okay. It's gonna it's gonna dry. It's just gonna take longer. Make sure that you put a little bit more on each end, because that's where it needs to stick. So just make sure you just put a little bit more at the ends. So after you put the glue on, as you can see, let me turn it this way. You're going to let it dry. Now, you're not going to let it dry all the way. You're going to wait till it gets tacky. So, I would say let it dry, or blow it, or do this, is what I do, for like at least 15 or 20 seconds. Okay, so it'll be ready by then. So, I'm going to just take my tweezers, put it in the middle of the lash. That's what helps me. Put it in the middle, and then just like blow and count if you want. I know automatically if it's tacky enough, but if this is your first time, count to 15 or count to 20. And if it's still not wet after 20 seconds, just wait another 10 seconds. Okay, this is like, okay, this is tacky. As you can see, it's kind of like clear. It's getting clear a little bit. You really don't see the white. That's how you'll know. So after or you can feel it with your hand too. Just take a little bit and see if it's tacky, and that's it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the tweezers and put it in the middle of the lash, like that. As you can see, just put it in the middle, because that's what helps me. If you do it at the end like this, I mean, it's good for other people, but it wasn't good for me. It's like it was harder for me. So what I do is I just put it in the middle, like that, like this. And then I go close to the mirror because I can't see from afar. I'm then going to angle it. It's like crooked. Hold up. Okay. I'm going to angle it upwards like this, like go like that, and apply it as close as you can to your lash line. As close. If you don't get it the first time, it's fine. Don't worry. Just take it off and do all the steps that I just told you to. But do it as close as you can to your lash line. And it's not gonna all the way be on, but then take it again. And do it. And then I'm gonna take the end right here and just pull it to where you want it to go. Then I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to just pat it down. And there you have it. You have on your lashes. Now, another thing that I want to show you is I'm going to take these off real quick. Okay, so the next step I want to show you, if you wanted to do it without any eyeliner, it is good best if you put on a little eyeliner. It just to help blend, so you won't see a gap. You understand? So it will help it blend in more. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna put on my liquid eyeliner. Okay, so I put on my eyeliner, and I'm just gonna reapply. I'm just gonna reapply the lashes, my lash. I'm gonna do everything that I just showed you how to do. I put a little bit more glue because I was talking. I let the glue dry. I let the glue dry longer. So you guys, let's do it again. Like I said, get really close. Put the middle on first. Always go from the middle to the back, and then do the front. Make sure you have your tweezers. It's so much easier. When you get better, you can start putting it on with your hand. Like, I do that too sometimes. It's okay if you get glue on the lash. Trust me, it's gonna clear. Like, that's why I like to do the white, because it's gonna be clear, so don't worry about that. I like to take my fingers or my finger and like pat it down, or you can use the tweezers and do that as well. Totally up to you. So we're gonna let that dry. Okay guys, so I'm gonna do the second eye the same way. The same way I did the first eye. Just want to apply your glue. Make sure that the eyelash fits your eye. Apply your glue. And blow for 60 seconds. 20-25 seconds. So I'm going to be applying this. Okay guys, so that's how the lashes look. I really do hope that I taught you something. I hope I hope it was easy enough. If you have any questions, just comment down below. And yeah, you guys, like this video and subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye you guys.